5 realizations that I have right now na nung high school ako or elementary ako, hindi ko pa sila na-realize or hindi ko pa sila fully na-understand. Of course, opinion ko lang po to ha, and yung learnings na nakuha ko based on my life experiences. At number 5, I really do believe that there's no such thing as effortless. Naniniwala talaga ako that a person exerted so much effort in his or her craft to make it look so effortless. At number 4, change is constant. Alam mo ba yung sinasabihan kang, uy, wag ka magbabago ha? Well, I mean, gets naman ba't nila yung sinasabi. Siguro, for example, mabait ka. So, gusto nila mabait ka all throughout. Pero kung iisipin mo, lahat talaga ng tao nagbabago. Oo, sige, mamaintain mo naman yung good values mo, for example. Pero nagbabago tayo. For example, yung college self ko, hindi na siya same nung high school self ko. We could all change for the better or for worse. Pero sana for the better ha. At number 3, people come and go. Makakakilala kayo ng mga tao na naging malaking parte